Hi everyone. Today I'm going to again discuss about some interesting topic, error. You must going with the error like you are a developer, and I don't think so. Like if any developer is going without error, like creating a code or building applications without error, they already face in some way in their code bug or error. So this is the things which I'm going to discuss, and the question related that how the interviewer asking about the questions in the error related, they are giving the some coding question logic over there, and how we have to identify, how we have to catch the error over there. So just start with that. So first of all, we have to be know what is the error. So error means refer to the mistakes or fault that occur during the program development or execution. If you don't find them and correct them, then cause a program to produce the wrong results. Okay, this is the error. And first, we have to be know like we are getting error, but there is also some filters, types of error. It will be there is a variation, so I'm just going to discuss one by one. So in the programming language we can divide the error in the three categories. First we have a syntax error. In the syntax error, what happen, it is error during development when you make some type mistakes in code. For example, you see, instead of writing while, you are writing while them capital, then it will be syntax error. So it is a C sharp is a case sensitive language, so it will come as a syntax error. Then second we have a runtime error. It is an exception. In the runtime error occur during the execution of the program, and these are also called the exceptions. This can be caused due to the improper user input, improper design logic, or system error. You see, we are creating integer a equal to 5, b equal to 0. And again, in the result, we are dividing a upon b, 5 upon 0. So divide by 0, one of the exception. Means you are getting the infinite number as output. So exception can be handled by using the try catch block. Then third we see like we have a logical error. So in the logical error, when the programmer is written fine but does not produce the desired result, logic error are difficult to find because you need to know for sure that the result is wrong. For example, in the snippet code, a equal to 5, b equal to 6 you are given, then we are given the average a plus b divided by 2.0. It is a logical error because it should be a plus b divided by 2.0. In the small bracket you see the difference. Okay, so we have a error and exception which will be giving like our application stuck and we are not getting the expected output as a result. So how we have to be handle this? So for that, exception handling one of the way to handle the exception. Exception handling is a mechanism to detect and handle the runtime errors, and it is achieved by using the try catch finally and throw keyword. Just see the keyword try catch finally blocks and throw keyword. In the try block you see how we are writing our code inside that. The try block includes the statement that might throw an exception. Catch block will be capture or handle that exception which we are coming receiving from the try one. Catch block handle any exception if one exists. And after that we have a finally block. So in the finally block can be used for doing any cleanup process like releasing unused resource even if an exception is thrown. For example, you see this finally we have written after the catch it is compulsory coming. After that we have a throw keyword. So this keyword is used to throw an exception explicitly. Catch exception object E, and we are explicitly throwing the error over there. Okay, so some key point we have to be read it, keep in mind for handling the exception. Just see like we have exception are types that are directly or indirectly derived from the system.exception class. This is the some important point because interviewer also asking we are getting exception. What is the namespace? What is the class where we are generating or where we have a getting this type of things which is we are handling in the catch exceptions. So it is coming, we have been deriving from the system dot exception class. Then second point, we just know exception object contain detailed information about the error, such as the state of call stack and text description of the error. And a try block is used to throw multiple exceptions that can be handled by the using the multiple catch block. So if more specialized catch block should come before a generalized one. Otherwise, specialized catch block will be never be executed. I will discuss this thing in the detail also in the upcoming. Then next we see like exception can be explicitly generated by a program by using the throw keyword. And if no exception handling mechanism is used, the program stop executing with an error message. So by providing a catch block without bracket or argument, we can catch all exceptions that occur inside a try block. Then after that, by providing the catch exception or catch block with the exception object, you can obtain the more information about the type of exception that occur. So every time, please write with the exception and e object. It is good for detailed error messaging for the checking purpose. So the statement inside the finally block are always executed when whether an exception occur or not in the program. So final block is always executed. And also before the termination of the program, finally block is always executed. Okay. So there is also we have a order to write the try catch finally blocks. See, we have a try, then catch more specific exception type. It is error handling code, then specific exception type, journal exception type, and finally block. So this is the order which we are maintaining for handling the try and catch block. So you can also skip the final block if required. So just without finally just maintain try catch like this. You can also skip the catch blocks if required. Just try the try and finally. So this is the variation which we can write and handle the error over an exception over there in the coding. Then in the C sharp we have a exception keywords. There is a four keywords for exception handling in the C sharp: try, catch, finally, and throw. The next question they are asking over there like what is the error and error exception handling. So you see like error is issue a program, prevent the program for completing its task, and in comparison an exception is condition that interrupt the normal flow of the program. Then they are asking also like how to throw exceptions with error code in C sharp. So using the C sharp throw or Visual Basic throw statement, you can throw exception. Then what is the error in C sharp? Coding error made by programmer, error due to wrong input, or other unprofessional things. So this is the question which you can accept, which you can expecting like as a error point of view. You have to be idea. I think you got the valuable information from this video. Please like, share, subscribe this channel. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.